Yeah, so my country people, I throw a salute. Manchester United won and Brighton 3. We get our guy Daffy, we be like say, no, we won't get Man U fans. One by one, so Man U fans don't go. But him, Steph, he still remain making still follow us talk based on say win or lose. If a Man U fan. What do you think say go wrong for Manchester United for this performance today?
I know, like, I don't know to even go wrong, sef, normally. I don't know to go wrong.
Evidence plenty.
We start well now. In the first 5 to 10 minutes, we start well. We come like we can't lose concentration at some point. But the major problem is the defense. The defense, they're not going understanding. They're not going understanding. Every part of the field is important. I mean, I don't blame the midfield much today. Normally, my midfield they blame. And Casemiro on the own first, very off today. Like saying not day form. But the defense, they're not just get understanding at all today. Like the problem with that. And now that third goal, you fuck up. That kind of ball, you go use your one hand, take go for the ball. You want to use the two, you want to wrap the ball. And that distance too near now. That distance too near for you to want to wrap ball. Not be say that ball won't come from distance. You understand? But the major problem is that lack of understanding when the defense get. The goals came in too cheaply. Not be say Brighton too play ball. They're not too play ball now. But the goals they're too cheap. The defense they open. The goalkeeper they open. I beg. What does go wrong with that?
So I want to ask you about Casemiro. You know, so when Casemiro will resume, that picture, I get one picture for preseason where they say Casemiro fat, say in order fit. To you think say Casemiro not start this season with that level of fitness when he's supposed to start as a professional?
You not start the season well. The fitness not really there. Fitness not really there.
And they show the performance.
You show them performance. You don't do mind you, let's say they pay their players. All those Brazilian boys, when they don't go Brazil, they will go and enjoy. That first time he fought now. Then after we done get in shape small. But I believe Casemiro normally say with time he go still pick up. He go pick up. So he not start well, but room there for improvement.
So make I ask you about some of the things where we don't hear concerning the Manchester United team off the field this week. We hear that matter where they happen between Sancho and the manager. We don't see this kind of thing happen before for Manchester United with this same manager, with Cristiano Ronaldo. You as a Man U fan, how you see this matter? What do you get to talk about? Because one of the things when they talk, he say, when he come that time, discipline not too plenty. And according to the statement when Man U bring out, they say, this matter concerning Sancho, now discipline matter. How you see this whole thing with Jadon Sancho and the manager as a Man U fan?
Me as a Man U fan, I look and say the coach never gets the trust and the love of the dressing room. That's how they look at him. Because if you look at Man City, this Guardiola, you go hardly hear saying Guardiola get problem with player. You understand? Since he can't sit you. Apart from that initial while when he get with Arturo and then one when he get with Eto for Barcelona. And if you look at me, you not hear what they talk. You don't know say okay, this player with this coach just get small problem and they resolve am. Now Bernardo Silva now get play with Guardiola this season. When make Bernardo Silva won't come out. But we not hear anything concern am. They resolve am, Bernardo Silva sign contract. You understand?
So to you, the coach supposed to keep other things inside house.
Inside house matter. Now we as fans not supposed to know what's in there happen. You understand? Last season, Ten Hag we won't help Sancho. For some time, he never even play ball. They give him personal training. You understand? Now, Sancho can't go talk. Say Sancho can't.
They not talk what he talk. Say he know they fit. He know they train the way supposed train. Sancho come out.
Sancho come verse. Say Sancho not supposed to come outside. But that Ten Hag first fuck up. Not supposed to talk that kind of thing outside. If they ask you as coach, say, Alpha, why Sancho not play? You gonna talk say no wahala. Say you just want to do squad rotation. You don't need to talk everything outside. The media don't deserve to know everything. Now normal thing. So the coach first fuck up. But now in-house matter now this please resolve them.
So how you see your team this season? Because last game against Arsenal, Man you concede 3. This game against Brighton, Man you concede 3. With these performances where you don't see, even the starting performances, we not go to say, oh, but Man you don't they play very well compared to what we expect. With these performances where you see as a Man U fan, you dey confident say this season your team will go fit do something?
The season is still very early now. Traditionally, Manchester United start well in recent years, but somehow they manage to finish top 4. So I don't expect Man U to win league or anything. They don't win Premier League normally, but hope still there.
What about Rasmus Hojlund now? We see him full debut today against Arsenal. He entered the game. He show highlight of what he could do. But with what you see today for your first start as the Manchester United player, what do you get to talk about this new signing?
So that kind of good striker normally. You know, if he give us numbers like all them Haaland them, but now striker whereby be like Karim Benzema. Not be say I dey rate him alongside Karim Benzema, but he get that potential to be like Karim Benzema. All the kind of attackers when they galvanize the attack, all the, when they make the game they flow, yeah, they make the game they flow. So now that kind of that kind of attacker we want. Attacker when they charge, and they go fit score. So me if you say he go fit score like 10 to 15 Premier League goals this season. If Rashford they play with him fellow attackers because Rashford na stingy attacker. But if the field get to understand, he go score like 10 to 15 Premier League goals.
So talking about Rashford, how you see Rashford performance for this match?
Rashford performance always a day okay. Only say they a bit selfish. A winger is not supposed to be selfish. Rashford na selfish winger. A selfish winger. Now striker they selfish. Winger not supposed to be selfish, but Rashford is selfish. And me I understand. Because based on today now, I go play ball today and I play wing. And get one thing there, get one ginger when if you don't score, you won't score. Last season I scored 17 league goals. He go want replicate that form. You understand? He won't score. And if not they score, he go want to score. And that thing will make a day a bit selfish. But you need to understand that the goals will only come when there's cooperation. Cooperation not the team goals not come. And that's what it be.
So Man U next game now against Bayern Munich for Champions League on Wednesday. You first laugh first. How you dey see that game? What you predict and what you expect from your team against Bayern Munich also on Wednesday? Sorry.
As a Man U fan, Bayern straight win. Straight win. That game is straight win. Bayern they are crazy to that body. Bayern they concede easily. But with this Man U they watch you. Bayern go win.